How you doing? Back here in the Frugal Fixer shop. Yeah, it's a little noisy. I got the router running. Let me see if I can tune it down some. That's better. Took some noise out of it. I got the router running, and I'm facing this piece of board that I made last night, or took out the frame a little earlier, and getting ready to cut a guitar out, but I got to get it nice and flat. So I figured I'd flatten the back of it first, and then flip it over and start on the front. So, yep, we're going to get it cut on the back tonight. That's all we're going to do is fly cut the back, get it down to a good flat level, and then we'll be able to flip it over tomorrow and start cutting the front side. So, hey, if it's the first time you've been in the Frugal Fixer shop, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, that down there. Hit that subscribe button and that little bell over there so you'll know when I'm going to do another live video. And hey, let's watch this machine go into this wood here. See what it's going to do. Can you see there? Let me see if I can get the camera in a little closer here without turning anything over. So let me see. There we go. It's a little bit hard to see there, isn't it? Let me see if I can get you up in here like this for a minute. And what we're doing, we fly cut the back of it and get it nice and flat and smooth. So this is my Mpcnc, excuse me. All the parts, plastic parts here, are 3D printed. The circuit board comes from Big Tree Tech. They send us a little duct with it. It's belt drive. It runs the belt. Got 4 motors around the corners, 2X, 2Y, one up on the Z. Right now, like I say, it's cutting 2 millimeters per pass with a 3/4 inch bit. And just making a cut on this and trying to get it real nice and flat. And I think I'm going to use this for the back of the guitar because I really like the looks of it, and I'm not going to cut it anymore. I'm just going to barely clean it up. So I kind of like want to make this the back. So let's see what happens on that. We're about halfway through one pass, but it's going to take 2 passes, I believe, to get this done. So anyway, if you drop in, you got any questions, punch them up in the little box there. You know, let me know. But yeah, we just let it. I better speed that up a little bit. Sound like it's running a little hard. Sound like it run a little hard there, wasn't it? Now you can tell by the wood when it's in the mahogany. I mean, when it's in the black walnut, and when it's in the maple. And you can just hear the difference in the pitch because the maple is going to be a little higher pitch because it's a little harder wood for sure. So right now we're cutting black walnut. In just a minute, it's going to turn and start cutting maple. And when it does, well, not yet. Got another pass before it does that. So anyway, that's what I got going. I'm just cutting out this body, and the one we glued up earlier is sitting over there getting ready for the next project. Yep, I need to cover up that electrical box. I do. I agree. I know. I need to get done. And I should be wearing my earplugs right now to keep me from going deaf. And I probably should be wearing my dust mask, but it's over there too, so yeah. But when you're out here doing the YouTubing thing, you just don't do that stuff, you know, so. Oh, mercy. What in the world? My router just quit. Huh. That's odd. Let's that thing just quit. I guess I got a router malfunction, guys. Gotta go. See what's going on around here. Y'all talk later.